Friendly Village, Williamstown, New Jersey. We got affordable housing here. If you want to buy something and you don't want to break the bank, well, Friendly Village might be just for you. 34 Dale Lane is the property that we're going to be featuring today, and it's got 1,180 square feet of living space. Let's check it out. Inside we got 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Big eat-in dinette and living room. Off to the right there you have a sunroom, galley kitchen, washer and dryer right off of the kitchen, and then you make your way into the master bedroom suite. Cat's not included. You have windows on both sides, soaking tub and a stand-up shower stall. You got a full bath in the main section, and off of the living room is just to the north of that is bedroom number 2. You got new flooring throughout, got window walls here to the eastern exposure, big garage area with plenty of shelving, and you get some of the amenities here at Friendly Village, including the pool where you have 2 guest passes all season long. So if you need affordable housing, you want to buy something, you don't want to rent, Friendly Village might be just the perfect location for you.